seen us do crazy special unboxing. We've unboxed a smartphone in a car. We've done crazy unboxing. But this is a rather crazy concept. It's very special. It's very different. It's not a new thing, but it's a renew thing. And I'm going to explain what is renew and why it's so special. So as you can look at the packaging, it's very different. First of all, it's very environment friendly, and I'm just gonna take this paper out which doesn't have anything on it, but let's open this and you can see a small tab that says ControlZ. Now ControlZ usually means when you need to renew something or redo something, and all this is made of handmade 100% cotton. It's really environment friendly. But what exactly does it say? Here's a whole letter that tells us about what is ControlZ, what exactly is renew, and why renew is not old and why renew is not refurbished. It's seeing is believing, so let's keep this letter aside and see what exactly the product we're talking about and why is it so special. So here's the box, and it clearly says the change is in your hands. One simple choice, giant leap for mankind. Big statement, but does it really fulfill it? So before we unbox, I can show you there is the product name over here. It's the Apple iPhone X 64 GB. And now you're wondering, why does it look like this? Well, this is the ControlZ renewed iPhone. And why it's so special, why it's important, as soon as we do this special unboxing, you'll know. This is one of a kind Apple iPhone unboxing. Very different experience, nothing you have seen ever before. Have you ever unboxed an iPhone like this?
Pick up the phone.
As simple as that. Get a renewed iPhone. And why it's renewed? Because the battery is 100%, the display is intact, the panels are brand new, and it gives you a warranty which is more than Apple itself. Yes, Apple gives you 12 months of warranty, they give you 18 months of warranty. And along with that, you also get a Type-C fast charger in the box. So here's the Type-C charger, looks like the Apple charger, and the Apple Type-C Lightning port charging cable. Yes, gives you more than what Apple gives you nowadays. So that's in the box. You also get a SIM pin ejector tool and this little warranty here, which gives you 18 months of warranty. So because of these packaging and renewing this smartphone, they were able to save 30 kg of earth, which was not mined, and 85 kg of solid and liquid waste, which was not produced because you didn't buy a new device, you bought a renewed device. So not only is the packaging very unique, the way they've placed things, the way the smartphone pops up, the device is also very new. These panels are scratchless, they're all new. The battery is brand new, the warranty is extra. There's so much going for this renewed product. When you're buying a second-hand product or a refurbished product, you're always worried about the battery life of the smartphone, the display has been changed, maybe it's a stolen phone. There's so many apprehensions when you're trying to buy a second-hand device, and you're always worried you might get the wrong one. But with companies like this one, ControlZ Smartphones, you get the best of Apple products. They have a whole lineup starting from 16,000 rupees onwards, and you can grab the best of Apple smartphones like this one, which is costing 30,000 rupees, and it's a crazy deal because you get a renewed phone which is almost as new with a bigger, better warranty. So if you're in the market to buy an Apple product, especially iPhones, and you don't mind the previous generations, then I think ControlZ is the best choice you can make to buy a new iPhone or renewed iPhone. That's all for today. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the Unbiased Blog.